How to hide names on Snapchat notification. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to hide the names on Snapchat notification to keep your privacy intact. So it's an easy process, so without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply scroll down and tap on apps. And once you are in the app section, simply tap on the app lock. Now you will be asked to enter your pattern or PIN depending on your device. So enter it to proceed. And once you see the interface like this, simply scroll down to the list of apps until you see the Snapchat. Now here beside the Snapchat you can see the toggling option. So simply toggle on that Snapchat option. And once you have done that, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And after tapping on that, you will be prompted to the settings section. From there, you can see the option label hide notification content. So tap on that. And here you simply need to turn this on to ensure that Snapchat notification won't show name and sensitive content. And once it's enabled, your Snapchat notification will only show the app icon and not the sender name or the content of the message. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.